Hey guys, good
Good
evening.
evening.
Welcome back to Biology Tutorial Manipur. Nataram actually welcome back. Today we'll do the next part of the sexual reproduction ki madudi advantages and disadvantages. Advantages se si kaino hai kanda di the sexual because of sexual reproduction you'll have variations lai ni. Variation lai du kaino kana biparental bi have di kaino ani parents ani lai gadaba. For example, this is your mom ka. Sino mamani sijina your dad ka. Father ne sijina taraga angang ji nang ji polok tweni sumaina angang ji polok tweni ko adu waragadi because of sigi mother gi gene pool duga father gi gene pool ani pool kan ani digi combination do different combination do si angang lak tweni adu di si angang these children will have more variation variety lane among all the children also amaga amaga zum tamana roi ko adu variation nga tani ko so basically variation si kai di lak pano haragadi because of biparental loiba parents se ani hoiba unlike akoina asexual dadi amtang oidana sel amadagi sumaina ani pidro to sidi single parent ne amatang ni sini asexual ni ko ada sexual dadi kada kan ani changidana ani changmani na kadore hai kanda one female one male ko ani changmani na kadore kanda aduga you are here so it is biparental oiba ko adigi di mathangda kadore ka next advantages the adaptations laine ba madi habadi the sexual reproduction will give you more adaptations kai you know haragadi sida laiba gene pool ji ngasai sida laiba combination ji variation ji mangonda tholai posi han dagi suman mana roiba aduna it will be able to adapt to its surrounding magi surrounding the my environment that's called living system the diversity the kaida adaptation am to bangam ni ko let it be plant wagera amo wagera ko loina ma ko sexually reproducing to so it will be given with an adaptations to bangam baje adum laijarani na khoina haina bam lai madudi kaino hekanda evolution gi chapter da ko natural selection da kaida haina balai madudi kaino hekanda adaptation variation is the fountainhead of adaptations haina haibam lai variation have je the fountainhead fountain sing chai bi ko sing chai bi ne variation have je kaino hekanda di variation lai raga di adaptation lai ni adaptation lai ta di jivaduna magi environment da ecosystem da living system da ko am adjust tobang amani adjust tobang amana mar moraga during the course of thousands and thousands of generations matam dadi kado hekanda sometimes we'll see that there are different quality yauksalak pathengna gani aduna mar moraga species evolve to neba evolution have this so the next point is the third point is it will take part in the evolution the take part to it will take part in the evolution evolution the ma sab yabangam gani because of sexual reproduction mar moraga aduna evolution da adaptation da adaptation lairaga di evolution da yaw di kamai yaw in hakanda over a long period of time kedor hakanda species will try to adapt to boje mar moraga change khaga sum lakpa even aduna recently frog horn ma when discovery tawe haido because maju environment adaptation tawbuda semak poram gane ba even myo with the higher of kedo hakana khoin hana 2G level 3G dagi amu 3G dam tappi adi tadi khoina tawri ba thabak data share tawri ba internet ta suri ba thabak mayam jina mar marga 4G ji hena pame hoji 4G nga ta ngaire ada 4G dagi hoji 5G da mu on the jena ko mayam na world gi mayam na high technology is already later but me singina hakchang sokani choi habagi kenu da habidi adugi technology advance oi because khoi need to matungina advance oi ne ba environment du matungina concept se ko ada sumai to dana adaptation laibedo maduna marum oraga evolution take care tawni take part taw ngam ganeba when you have adaptations when you have variations laibe marum adaptation ngam ngam ta di jibaduna environment adapt tawre magi charon suron sum puthore mathang puthore to ogadi adugi duna puthore khuding ni hena phabagi monga laktoi neba adu oraga di kedo hekanda man evolution da take part taw yarni evolution da yarni sineba ko adi the fourth point di kain hekanda variation adaptations evolutions ka id and the fourth point is kaino hakanda ngasai sigi jiba je ko sida putholi ba angang je kadore hakana sijina hena mapa mama dagi hena vigor and vitality laini ka samna hakana vigor and vitality vigor di kaino king lawba energetic oiba king lawba ko vitality amaru oiba vital haidena ko adumaino oiba jiba tholakani habadi they will be produced reproductively they will be very healthy way ne hena charon dharona chanu pangam bo khopa adungba species thola ne concept se ko aduna adugi pot se akoina sexual reproduction u gane because always sexual reproduction is a combination of two parents combined to widna aduna marum waraga kaido ha kana khoni vigor and vitality je helena logane koina concept generally ko ana si pot myam ju lakani fare adudi can you think of any disadvantages sexual reproduction tawbajina marum waraga disadvantage obia poti koina can you think of any disadvantage yengaji ko adudi advantage lerega di disadvantage khar di dum leram ba yaidana ko now the disadvantage is kind of ina sida dum onthorage ko disadvantage ko disadvantage harage so only ka lage dum ko explanation ko ne ko now the idea is the disadvantage kind of kanda sida iriba biparental sida dum onthorake ko sida iriba biparental je next the first one was biparental lobjina magi disadvantage oedana the second one kind of kanda it is a slow process way mazi sexual reproduction je it is a slow process so it takes time matam logani for example angang du poe chaure school chatle ko adedi khalega adolescence la khalega hena mature ore ko sida reproduction tawre wari bo adedi ahanu silakdoi ko yare ko aduga last sumaina senation orga death ta doi ne adu haita di reproduction to bo gi mong yeng da di swai reproduction tawre khalajini ko sida angang poe kids school kare si teenager oire ko puberty la adagi sida thobengang tawre ko haidi kana tawre mature reproductively ado kana tawre luhonge macha poe khalaje so it is taking a time it is taking a lot of time ko so it is a slow process unlike kadoba asexually kadoba amoeba na reproduce to kamai to E. coli na to kamai to within 20 minutes the E. coli na macha ni popongame by nutrition tawre ko are so much fast way ba moida asexual to bo kangu dadi whereas if you compare with the sexual reproduction you can see it is very slow process it takes time even flowering plant the wakan koina nei na jai ko pami do jamine toraga hauraga ngasai pa manam sangdo akanda di mapan saraga hore lei salaga ne reproduction to the sexual reproduction to the ko number third ta mu kai tawre ha kanda number third ta now we always know that it is biparental where the parent ani do amagi kano duga gamete male gamete tuga amagi female gamete tuga changa ga zygote semdoini adu orega di kedo hakanda ada tawde posi kaino fertilization hygiene tawde posi kaino we have to do fertilization ko fertilization tawba have je it is a chance factor ne but it is just a matter of chance factor have sometimes it may miss out in spite of marriage or about the couple na kedo hakanda yam kuina bong matung da mayum pala kuina sahi tara traunga ko hoi tara mu haire ko si bo ngang phang da bu yawi no aduga yam kuina dum phang da dum tok bu yawi ni adu re kai no ha kan there is a chance factor in spite of cohabiting dominor about the leminer ba ko sexual act or about the fertilization to dun ngang phang dun ni adu ngang phang da bi matang kai matang da heng reproductive health ki matang da la ke receptor la ke ko aduna so these are the disadvantages so we have learned about the advantages of sexual reproduction and the disadvantages of sexual reproduction tame mathang jina kai kan mathang jina khon sidu uri picture je si je phases ne bse ko phase ne bse je si phases of life cycle ne phases ne bu ko si phases ya sida kitang samlam na ne ji ko 2.6 समझ लगे kana pati sa phases to kado hai kan di phases in the life cycle now phases in the life cycle of sexual reproduction to ba kangu gi ni ko phases in the life cycle hai ji ko si ja seng budi ahum lei sumai ko basically yam lai han bida juvenile phase siu kai ju ko hai kanda vegetative phase ko ko mathang da reproductive phase ani ko wi mathang da senescent phase ani ko so asam da hare gadi kan hai kanda juvenile phase hare gadi ngasai gi pre-reproductive hai tare pre-reproductive matam do ne reproduction taw jengi mamangi matam do adubu kai go hai kana juvenile phase ko aduga botany da kai da plant da hare gadi kai kana pambi jina maru tar kanda mana songkhalaga horaga sangti sangna hobo matam do ꯂꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯠꯇꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯁꯟꯅ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯚꯦꯖꯤꯇꯦꯇꯤቭ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯚꯦꯖꯤꯇꯦꯇꯤቭ ꯐꯦꯖ ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯇꯤꯜ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯐꯥꯎ ꯇꯤꯜ ꯏꯠ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯅꯥꯀꯟꯗꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯦꯜ ꯐꯤꯃꯦꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯋꯥꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯐꯦꯖ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯦꯆꯨꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯦꯖ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯦꯖ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯦꯖꯇꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯤꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯔꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯔꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ 23-23 ꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯔꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯒꯔꯜꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯔꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ 13ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯤꯅꯦꯖꯔ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯪꯒꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯉꯟꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏꯅꯣꯅꯀꯣ 11-12ꯇ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯔꯇꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯈꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯥꯎ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯦꯖꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯑꯦꯕꯜ ꯇꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤꯅꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯖꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯋꯔꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯑꯦꯕꯜ ꯇꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡꯁ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯨꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯁꯤड्स ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤड्ꯁꯇꯣ ꯆꯥꯔꯦ ꯂꯪꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯑꯦꯕꯜ ꯇꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯐꯔꯇꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯖꯥꯏꯒꯣꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯑꯣ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯗ ꯌꯣꯡꯋꯥꯟ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯦꯖ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯅꯦꯁꯤꯌꯟ ꯐꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯟꯁ ꯗ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯏꯁ ꯐꯤꯅꯤꯁ ꯗ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯖꯝ ꯋꯤꯜ ꯏꯚꯦꯟꯆꯨꯑꯂꯤ ꯕꯤꯀꯝ ꯑꯣꯜꯗꯔ ꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯁꯇ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯇꯦꯜ ꯐꯪꯁꯟꯁꯇ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯇꯞ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯜꯇꯤꯃꯦꯠꯂꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯒꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯪꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯝꯒꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯏꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯂꯤ ꯏꯠ ꯋꯤꯜ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯨ ꯁꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯗꯦꯠꯇꯅꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯁꯦꯅꯦꯁꯤꯌꯟ ꯐꯦꯖꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯏꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯔꯤꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯏꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯑ ꯏꯔꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯔꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯕꯦꯛ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯏꯔꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁꯅꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯐꯂꯤ ꯗ ꯐꯦꯖꯦꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯁꯥꯏꯀꯜ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯩꯅꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯇꯤꯚ ꯐꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯀꯥꯟꯗ reproductive phase we will discuss in animals, we'll discuss in plants. Okay. Plants ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ reproductive phase ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ when it flowers ꯂꯩ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ there are two kinds of flower ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ monocarpic ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ two kinds of plant depending on the basis of the flowering ꯀꯣ flowering ꯗ basis ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ monocarpic plants ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ polycarpic plants ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ now the name suggests ꯀꯩꯗꯧ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ monocarpic ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯥꯠꯄ carpic ꯑꯁꯤ carpelꯗꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ flowerꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯈꯪꯉꯤꯀꯣ carpel ꯑꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯣ the female reproductive organ of the flowers is the carpel ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯥꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ once it blooms ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯅꯦꯁꯤꯌꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯗꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ultimately wither off will die off ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯅ monocarpic example ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯨ example ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯗꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯒ ꯄꯦꯗꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯧ ꯂꯣꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯕꯦꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯀ ꯊꯤꯟꯅ ꯅꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ monocarpic ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ polycarpic ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯩꯅꯥ ꯔꯣꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯆꯩꯅꯥ ꯔꯣꯁꯁꯦ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯅꯩ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯂꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯁꯥꯠꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯦꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯅꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯅꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯦꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯂꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ throughout the year ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯅꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯐꯔꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ adigi animal gi matang mula ji ko adudi animal matang de kari no hai kan di animal je sidi madik on the basis of time of breeding time ji magi breeding gi time je sida based on mai khai dok ba ji breeding time da hai ko and breeding time matung ina maji kamai khai do ne hai kan da ani thona khai do ni one is seasonal hai ba ma ko seasonal breeder hai ba ma the other one is continuous breeder hai ba ma one is seasonal breeder one is continuous breeder ko now seasonal breeder di kai do hai kan da ma yo sida season yaw dro and in a particular season da ngasai gi particular season da ne season ne kai do ga da gi hai kan da ne particular season da ngasai gi sexual reproduction je the egg of sexual reproduction should be done in a particular season for example logic kalen thala e nongju thala e ko ale ta di frog example frog si yung nongju tha matam da ko ma ji yamna hena macha pok thok ni adu question am hange ko frog ki matang da give a comment ta sengna noina blog si follow to biraga phajana yenga thawai chenga like pa dana khotana yeng biraga di please cooperate with me and then so that I can be more motivated with you all and with my blog ko aduga hena like par ga hena ju share to ba hena sakti khara phangna na ba hai tare motivation khara phangna na ba ko hon aning ba khara phangna na ba frog ki matang da question am hangjage akoi halamana haibirami madudi frog si kaido hakanda haina balai madudi hangoi khongi nong surani na haiba haina draw hangoi khongi nong surani adu tasengna aina hangjage ba hangoi khongdi nong surira nataga nong chubde hangoi khongira ba kegumba si answer je khangba yawbiraga di nataga if you just have a idea ko what do you think ado comment da pibiro ko hangoi chongdi nong khongira nong chubde hangoi khongira na comment du pekoi matungina aina answer am makhata explain tawjarage ko so for the moment you should remember that frog is a seasonal breeder dore ko sida continuous breeder di kaino adum continue to na breed tonga masidi continuous breeder di chahi chupa ko season nai da ba basanta ritu ka kai amta sai amta nai da ba dai ko leidana ko no using pamcha ka kai khara no to ba pamcha ga di romantic ba khara kitang option ga to ba pamcha ga haidana valentine day je ai di valentine day je hoi thank you sir thai yare ko to puwa mo no valentine day je mai haidana every day is valentine day can have no pamcha leitana khara option ba khara romantic ba leitro adumaina si seasonal continuous breeder di season nai dreba ha di valentine da dang kana tong ni have leitreba ko sumaina example si example di kanano rabbit si since canonico continuous breeder ni ko rabbit ka khanak na ba ma jiba ma hayo uchi mai sin yum da uchi leba kan uchi jar sandok tro sumaina singo mayam adudi question am hange adudi miyo bi di kaino continuous breeder oidira seasonal breeder oidira adum khallo answer je ko give a comment sizum comment toro so am samlamna har kanda phases in the life cycle je sumaina koina lotion ba yarani ko aduga any doubt le ju give a comment and then I'll try my best ko koi now kano na chingtham gi now maduna pibirak pada ngasai gi Mendel gi law do adugi tol ga tawbai do ai mathangi da hapsarake ko sina marak sina hangi menjan hodobagi si hapani ko adu but Mendel gi kano do tol ga brika tawbagi last blog am hakyu do ai semjarake adudi vlog singa sigi di swaida phases in life cycle je stilo chalani du mathangi da mu events of fertilization tawdoi ba fare without taking much of time thank you for watching somgi yamna valuable level matam du khaidoga ko vlog si me ta yamna hamko harau jari noi jari ko please do share like and subscribe tasena di share yam to bi maram di som gi friend mayam du yeng halaga kitang yumda lei lei na lockdown manung ko lyrics se sum sitor ga ta pa ijin lo everything ni ga have dinate acha de adubu sida yenga paning ba phau ba ko boy ga de lyric dum hangdok ning ba amuka pa ba da kitang inspiration du oina na ba na ko kharaga sum chemjabani so please feel free and then please share and once again thank you, see you around, thank you.